Let's take a look at the perfect protection for your basketball court. And here we have a tall basketball court that we have in the park out here. If you guys can see that. So the actual protection of the foam is if you're playing basketball, you will not get hurt or hit the pole. A lot of injuries come because of substances like this. So it's really good to avoid injuries just by putting foam similar to this one. Very simple, and I'm gonna show you guys how to remove it. It's just easy as velcroing it together, putting it together and setting it up. So when you're playing basketball here, and if you guys can see, the pole doesn't have a protection over there, but this one does. Very simple, easy to install. I'm gonna demonstrate you how to remove it in a bit so you can move it from court to court. So to take it off is very simple. To readjust, all you got to do, remove the Velcro from every single one. Simple as removing the Velcro. And then all you got to do is fold it, put it away, take it with you, and you're done. Here we have a soccer pole. We have two of them, two poles, but we're going to demo it on one of them, how you can use it for any kind of protection. And it gives you a high rise of protection. And it's very simple. We're going to put it to one side. I'm going to take you guys. Velcro one in. So this works for soccer poles, basketball poles, football poles, home poles, any kind of pole that you have and you need extra protection. This is a perfect way, and I'm going to show you how it looks in the front. So if you're playing soccer and you want the extra protection, you want your kid to get hurt or anybody to hit the pole. A lot of injuries come from poles, metal pieces, and this is a perfect size. It's tall, it's easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.